So can you go deluxe album?
Kusokera ddala deluxe nasooka nenta album gye bayita African music, then nenyongerako ennyimba endala. Bw'oba okoze album n'ogita, then after a certain period n'oyongerako ennyimba endala, kyekyo tuyita deluxe. It's like an extension of a major album. So we did it, and I worked with a couple of great creatives. Nakola ne DJ Neptune from Nigeria. The song is called Feeling, yeah. And Netukola ne Ben Soul, he's under Sauti Soul, the label in Kenya, which was also an amazing song called Looking Forward. Netukola ne remix ya Craving You Heavy, featuring Chike from Nigeria. And of course, tracking that was called Envision. We made it with Atin from here. So yeah, it has been like a good piece to add on the album. And so far, I'm getting like really amazing reception. People like the music. And Atanaji Ulida, please go and check out Azawi, the deluxe album.
You're the artist Uganda has been looking for. Like people are seeing you progressing very fast. Or him because stage is never nameless. Is this your year you want him back from where you've come to great work?
I think I own every moment. Like if I'm given an opportunity to do my thing, I make sure that I do it to the fullest. I put a lot of work and seriousness into my job, and Yensonga Rachi, I get to stand out. So you never know, even next year I can be even more other years coming up, because I really devote myself to my job. I take it so serious. I don't give my people half-cooked work. I put in all the energy to make sure that they feel what I want them to feel. Yeah. It's normal, chibao, but at the end of the day, okukaba, you have to keep on being optimistic and positive, keep that positive attitude all the time, and it's one of the reasons as to why, like, maybe badenge bizibu, bitanize out okubera on my own, of advantage to me, like of merit to me. So the buli kimu ekizibu ekijja ndaba wa, cause buli kizibu ekijja wabera opportunity, nze ndaba wa wengenda okuyita so that nzira kukiddako.
Endongo giruddemu, but when you success, that's now 2 years.
Yeah.
And people were parliament otambudde journey ate wasaliwo college.
I don't know how to call that, but I think I deserve it. First of all, nze ndowooza ddala nkideservinga kubanga obunene bw'omuyimbi tebabudetaminingira ku bbanga kiri aluddewo. We've known like artists ababadde mu industry eno nga gye bali eyo for like really a very long time, but nga tebannaba like tuuka ku front line eyo buli omu nti abalaba. So the thing with me, like Swang's Avenue came and understood me as an artist. Twetegeera buli omu yajja nga alina goals nga zi-aligninga bulungi, and they have created an opportunity with me like they haven't maybe created with any other person, and I think that is why they're jumping onto it. And it's not like a mistake that we're doing this, like we're very, very intentional. Like doing a concert after 2 years is very okay. Even doing a concert after one year is very okay, for as long as you've planned and packaged yourself in a way that puts you in a position to attract the audience that you need to come for the show.
Very many people
honestly, Muswang's Avenue, every artist has their own plan. Like ekintu kigenda obeerawo mu August nga planning in January. Like we made a plan. Like we always go for retreats and we sit down for like a week just to think how we're going to run the year. So kati nze management yange tetuganye yes, we are all under the umbrella Swangs Avenue, but we're in a team ye in Kwasaganya. And for me, Chino Chaliko kwa agenda yange yomwaka, and that is why it's happening. For Winning Waji, you get to hear from her team. For Vinka, you get to hear from their team, and they know what they're doing. Like Okulinda Kopakakat, it's not like they're stupid doing it. They understand that they're doing it and it is intentional because they have a purpose ahead. Yeah.
I don't question to you. Well, how do you feel about you having a concert before our so coming years back when I was also but the more later you was also called a concert. But normally we don't know cheating.
I don't feel that way. Like everything get away with the aina plan like you could find out until both plan I will see a call a concert hours, you know, which take it. But when they feel like it is the right time. I'm not cheating anyone because we must all kira kumacha. Nasala otegeka concert. Sinti when tegeka kitegezo mlala kolechi. Agane tebiri kebyo. Like obo yagala. Actually, even on the day I have a concert, when you kwesa nga oli ono mlala kolachi, aina ekivulu on the same day. Which take so like everything is happening according to plan. It's because it is not yet in sync with the plan.
Why do planning you educate very fast than others?
What's planning and educate very fast than others?
Why is it put on front?
I don't know. Honestly, I don't know. Maybe it's just the time. It's the time. It's the opportunity Swangs Avenue has created with me. It's me as the artist, the character of the artist that I am. It is me. Like it can depend on a lot of things. Like even the fans, the reception, the energy, the trend, the the vibe. So maybe they feel like if they don't give me a concert now, they might fail to give it to me later on. Which they get.
Is it because one would say you more valuable than the rest?
They're both. By the way, one of the people that make the most money in this industry is Winning Waji and Zinka. Like, there's no weekend that goes down. They make money, like they are always on bookings. So people around people it's just because they don't know what is happening, and it's okay to always think like that. We're not entitled to their opinion.
You're putting a local backgrounds, that's what you're saying.
Yeah.
But always go to the almost only category Nigeria. Weeks to billion before Nigeria, weeks to billion after Nigeria. Don't you think how prepared are you to take them?
I trust my team. Like they know what they're doing. So whatever happens will happen, but I trust my team and I trust that my fans are going to turn up and we're going to have a good show.
Okay. And we have surprise artists, international artists on the show.
If it's a surprise, then I can't talk about it on the camera.
Do you have
I don't want to talk about that, but I have artists from here. They're going to be part of the production. So I can't spill the hot tea right now. Let's wait for the event. Yeah.
Do you believe after this concert, it will determine your fate in the music industry?
Of course, most of the time, the artists to call our concerts is not because to agara kola sent, because concerts basically is a consent. But the thing that comes with doing such a concert, turning it out to be successful, is because it gives more leverage to the brand. Like you have more bargaining power. Like you like prove yourself to the crowd that if I can pull up a crowd of 5,000 or 10,000 people, then that means I deserve whatever amount I want you to pay. So it is more like enhancing the brand and its stability and its position in the industry. Yes, just kugumya brand yeyongere bargaining power. So that your muntu omulala bw'anajja okumpa gig ajja kumanya. Sorry about that. So that your muntu omulala bw'anajja okumpa gig like I have like proof, I have facts, like omuntu nga ninze nkola ekivulu n'enjuji z'abantu okiraba, like I have facts. So kati bwe nkusaba nti ompe emitwalo 2 oba 3 egya $, understand that I'm worth it.
You and your team in this event, mulimu kuteka over in power.
Yeah, one of that, and also it is more like a main event to actually get to meet my fans. Shows a bit scattered. Right now it's just all of my fans from across the country. Yeah. So now okay, now this is the kind of energy I have in this industry. That means that means I have to do more, so it's more like it's more like a game. We're going to gamble, either chikola or chigamba, but of course it's Azawi kama yakiriza. Yeah.
International interest is this concert an aim of an international audience? They need you more?
Honestly, we're just doing this concert to have a good time. We're not like Trina Vetukakasa or like tukola bintu byaffe, man. Like we're just doing our thing. Yeah. Of course, they're my sisters. They have to turn up. Yenna Asubila ngomanya aina ensonga enkulu ennyo lwakitaze, and it's really understanding. Of course, I told you times out about.
Okay. Yeah. The last, as you telling your fans, because immediately when they saw that president in April concert, their first words, just kubagira mumbe, Azawi alidemu banyoruko. Fan.
And I honestly, just even to have fans, it's just like a group of a few individuals that have like 2,000, 1,000 followers that make that noise, but they're also excited about me. They come to my rehearsals. They're always like sending me, because pulling up such a concert can be so tense. Chisobola okuleeta muka fright kati nga nange ndi mukutya naye nina okukola ki okwegumya, and bwe kiba nti kiri mukutya, it's not worth doing. So si bafan waliwo abajasi basumbi kati kankulireko sente swans zisobola okujja mu muyimbi teziva mu concert. Abayimbi abakozeko ku bivulu basobola okunjulira ddala zino main event temuli sente. Kino just bakikolera industry, bakikolera nga nze omuyimbi, okitegeera, bakikolera bafanzi baffe. Babagala okujja sente mu Azawi. There's so many other avenues that they can use to get money out of the brand Azawi, ate nga tebataddeemu kiri awo. Danokera ku makya omuntu n'agamba kakwate millions zange 2 ziteeke mu event. Yeah. But mbagaliza ebisima byokka bannaye basobo ne banyabo abawagizi ba music wa Azawi Music we Uganda music from Azawi, music from Swans Avenue. I call upon you banaye mojenga 22 July tugenda beera wali eri ku Zoe Grounds opposite Kyaddondo. Tetuli ku Cricket Oval, tuli ku Zoe Grounds. Moje ngenda kubanga nkola concert yange esooka mu bulamu bwange nga artist. Mbadde mbasaba ne banyabo